What if? Great question. I love this question. Your imagination loves it too. A better question? What is really going on here? Take a look around. If all is well in your daily life, you are thriving. You're able to drop into discernment with the breath. You adapt into neutrality, wisdom, and compassion. And you have daily conversations with all 7 of your embodied chakras in neurocoherence with your entire body. Sound like you? So maybe your secret identity is unicorn or earth angel. You're 100% free of the hidden energy emotional dynamic that is so wrapped up in your origin story that you're blind to its features. You have become the embodiment of the essence of fulfillment that you were born to be. And you know this is not about perfection. It's about 100% trust in your inner source connection that puts mind in its proper place as the servant of right timing. For those of you who are not quite there yet, but even better is transformation as you dare to be more, do more, have more, and share more with full trust in your unique soul stuff. Well, this is what I'm all about. See you there.